Today, our task is to basically create a support agent, especially for business or for WhatsApp, right? Why this is important and what is the need for it? First of all, see, many times, I'll tell you a very simple scenario where this can be used. For example, right now, suppose we have a support number where people interact. They want to ask some question. For example, for a real estate, suppose we had a client where which is this about we have set it up for him. He had a number. On that number, there are a lot of leads will come in automatically. They will ask questions. What is the price of this 2 BHK? What is the rent of 2 BHK? What is the things and everything, right? These are the couple of questions they will generally ask. Similarly, this WhatsApp support agent that we are going to create, which is this that I'm going to create, it is one of the easiest way to create it, right? There are two ways how you can create the WhatsApp support agent. Either you use the Meta AI default, which is a very lengthy process. Second process is if you use a different API wrapper, which is the another easiest way. Everyone with me? So today I will be discussing about one of the easiest way how you can to create your WhatsApp agent, and all of you will be creating with me. Is it fine, everyone? How many of you want to create with me right now? So this is going to be a practical one where we will be creating right now, right, with you. How exactly we are going to do that? Okay. So this is the flow for this, but to understand this flow, so we have already created last time. If you remember, we have created the lead capture and enrichment tool, right? Last time we have created this, but today we will be creating this, right? How exactly this works? What is the process for this, right? You need to understand each and every node, what exactly they do. To understand this, we need to understand the concept. First, we need to understand the concept of one thing, which is first, what exactly is the purpose of this, right? So first of all, we need to define what is the purpose of this bot. The purpose of this bot is you ask a question. You ask a question on the WhatsApp number. There will be a WhatsApp number you set up. For example, any WhatsApp number that you set up. For example, this is the WhatsApp number that you set up. Okay, right? Person will basically send you, he will basically send you hi or a message which he wants to ask to you. Okay, he wants to ask you this question. Okay, for example, it can be how is the webinar, right? What is the price of 1 BHK rent in let's suppose in Bangalore, right? So these are the queries that you will be getting. So exactly what you are getting a query. Everyone with me? You're getting a query right now, right? And you will respond. You will respond. Now, the real question is how we are going to respond, right? We are going to respond by using a AI agent. We will use a brain, which is nothing but a LLM. Okay. We will use a brain that will give the answer. That will give the answer for that. Okay. And what we are going to do also is we will also capture the lead into the sheet also. We will also capture the lead in the sheet also. What was it is given to us, right? So now to perform this, you need multiple things. Multiple things basically means now we cannot use chat trigger. Everyone, chat trigger we cannot use because chat trigger is only available in the anytime, only available in anytime. So we are not going to use it, right? We need to use another type of trigger for trigger. So what is the flow? AI workflow, everyone. So AI workflow will be, first of all, somebody will send you a chat message. A chat message will be sent to you. Then a AI agent will understand this, and he will respond back to the WhatsApp. Exactly, this is what we want. Step number 1, step number 2, at step number 3. In between, whenever he understand, he will also capture the lead. So lead also capture also we will be do. So second step only. So this is the AI workflow that we want to understand. Clear? Everyone is with me? Step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. Okay. So what exactly we are learning, right? The first thing that you will see we are learning is called as webhook trigger, right? What is a webhook? You need to understand first, sir, what is a webhook and why it is even useful? What is the point of this? Okay. Webhook is like a fish net. It's like a fish net. For example, what exactly we are doing is here, you are waiting for something to happen. Triggers are always something where you trigger based on that. So here they are waiting for something, a STPP post request. Actually, what is this STPP post request, sir? What exactly it means? Actually, they are waiting for your WhatsApp message. Whatever the message that you type, whenever you type, this trigger will be triggered automatically when you set up. When you set up, this will be automatically triggered and it will give you details. It will give you details what exactly the user has asked. Okay. What exactly user has asked. So let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. We will basically start practicing this. Okay. Let's do one thing. We will practice this. So first of all, we need to set up a webhook trigger, right? So how do we set up? Let's see. So here, what we are going to do, I will click on personal. This is, I will create a new workflow, everyone. So I will create a new workflow, right? Here, I will change the name, which is WhatsApp support agent. This is what I want to create, right? First of all, I will add a trigger, right? Which is called as webhook. This is the trigger which I'm going to add. Now, what is this, sir? What exactly is going on in this case? This is a trigger which can wait until it gets a message. So I will change this method to post. What exactly it is doing is, if you send anything to this, if you send any message to this, it will start trigger and it will give it to you. So it can wait for something. I will explain you in a very simple way. Guys, if you do fishing, what exactly we do in fishing, everyone? We have a hook. With the hook, we have a small fish, right? And we are just sitting until a fish, bigger fish will come, right? He'll try to basically eat that worm or the small fish, and automatically we will catch it. That's everyone. This happens. Similarly, this webhook also works in a very similar way. How many of you are able to understand? Give me you in the chat. This is a webhook. It will wait until you send a message to this URL. It will automatically wait. If I basically click on start, everyone, if I basically click on execute, you will see here it is telling you that I am waiting for you to call to this URL. So it will indefinitely, it will wait. It will keep waiting. If you activate this, it will keep waiting till eternity. Until this project exists, everything, it will be keep on waiting until you send some message to this. This is called as the webhook. So here you can see waiting for the trigger event. It will keep on waiting until you send something. But sir, the real question is what exactly we need to send? What exactly we need to send, right? Yes. So this is exactly what we need to send. I'll tell you. So we will stop this. So if you click on this button, it will stop this. What we are going to do is we will basically use a website called as Unipile, everyone. This is a website that we are going to use, not Unipole. The website name is Unipile. Yeah, Unipile. Okay. This website, what exactly do? There are two ways to, first of all, capture. Everyone, let me save this. Uh, let me save this. Save is done. Right. So there are two ways if you want to interact with WhatsApp. Everyone, if you want to interact with WhatsApp, there are two ways. First way is you registered on the Meta suite. You register on the Meta suite. You register your application. You get a client ID. You get a client secret. Right. You register there. Right. Client ID and client secret. Then after that, it will give you the credentials, your own credentials. Then only you can use the WhatsApp. Then only you can use the WhatsApp for the interaction, right? But this is a very long way. It is one of the biggest way. What if we have, so this is first way, guys. This is the first way, which is, I call this as difficult way. Okay, ये difficult way, everyone. This is difficult way. How to interact with WhatsApp. So how we are learning how to interact with WhatsApp using Anytime, right? How to interact by using the word Anytime. Let me make this S2. Difficult way. This is the difficult way. Here, in this case, yes, you need business WhatsApp account also, right? Business WhatsApp account also, which is very important. You cannot do directly. You have to use business WhatsApp account. It should be separate from this, right? But this is a difficult way. What if I tell you the easiest way? We will learn this after some time also. But today I will teach you easy way. Shall we discuss easy way? बहुत easy way है. There is something which is called as easy way, which we have figured it out. Okay, easy way. This was previously we used to cover this, but it takes lot of time. It takes lot of efforts because trust me, Meta, Facebook does not want people to use WhatsApp for automation perspective. They think automation as that automation is basically means robots, and they want on WhatsApp only humans. So they generally, it is one of the difficult way to set up your client ID, client secret. You have to do a lot of stuff, which basically takes a lot of time. Rather than there is a services which are created like Unipile. What is this service, sir? What is this service? It has a free trial, and trust me, this service you will love it. What exactly they do? Whatever the web message that you will get, automatically they will send you to the web trigger in this case. So easiest way is you use a website or a tool called as a unipile.com. Okay, what is this unipile.com do? It integrates with your WhatsApp. Everyone, it integrates with your WhatsApp, whatever the WhatsApp. It does not matter if you have a business one or if you have a normal one. It integrates with your WhatsApp number. Okay, it integrates with your WhatsApp number. Now, what exactly happened? It will give you it will basically ask you when a message will come, which trigger or where we need to send. Automatically, it will handle all the things. So what will happen is you just have to integrate. You have to just integrate or set up the WhatsApp one time. एक बार setup करना है guys, one time, and they will do the due diligence. They will do the heavy lifting. They will do the heavy lifting, everyone. All the heavy lifting they will do, and they will send you the chat message to your webhook automatically. How many of you understood what I am trying to say? All the heavy lifting and everything, initial part and everything, they will do it from their end. You just have to integrate with them. So how to integrate with them? Let me show you. Shall we? How many of you want to see? First of all, create a free account, everyone. Click on login. I'll show you with my number also if you want to see. Create a free account. Let's create a free account. Let's suppose Pramod. This is Tata. Company name, we are going with TeachYou AI, right? Here, role is, let's suppose, CEO. API is WhatsApp API we want to use. So promote at the rate TeachYou. Let's use plus anytime. Okay. Same username, password, create an API. So we have created a username and password. Okay. Done. So your registration is complete. Go to dashboard. Done. So we will use this the username, password. Go to the rest. Okay. We will log in now. What will happen? I'm going to show you something interesting. What will happen in this case? Let's see. How many of you are with me till now? Give me one in the chat. Registration is done. We are logging in. The first time that you will see, it basically has a 6-day of free trial. So you can use it easily. 6 days ke liye you can use it easily. Now a lot of people will say, but sir, this is a paid service. Yes, this is a paid service. But trust me, suppose if there is a real estate client that you have, right? They can easily pay this. Okay, you don't have to pay this. You will ask client that, okay, we are going to use this tool. So pay for that. Pay monthly for that. Trust me, $30, $40 per month is nothing for them if they are earning in lakhs and lakhs. We have a lot of real estate clients who have like they are doing amazing. This is a very small tool for them. It will resolve it is actually, rather than hiring a normal support person who will take like salary of 80,000, 1 lakh or something, right? Experienced one. Rather than we are replacing with less than 7,000 or 8,000 rupees bot. How many of you got it? What we are trying to do? So we are replacing a real human with a bot, which has very less amount of this. Okay. So here you can see it is asking, okay, set up your account first of all, right? So what we are going to do, we will click on Webhook first. And here we will click on set up a webhook. It will ask you which one you want, what exactly you want to send. So webhook name, let's suppose the name is whatever name for messaging purpose we want to do. because we want to do messaging purpose. Anything apart from this, click on continue. What you want, on message new, whatever whenever a new message is discussed. Okay, click on continue. All the accounts continue, yes. What is the URL where we want to send? What is the URL where we want to send, everyone? So here you can basically mention. First of all, let me do one thing. Let me, first of all, before going further, I will set up an account. First thing, I will set up an account. Okay. So click on connect now. It will ask me which account you want to connect. Which account you want to connect. By the way, it also supports posting on LinkedIn. It's also support posting on Instagram. It also support posting on Messenger, Telegram, X, Google, and it can also email. So it's not a one service. It has many services. How many of you understood? Only one time setup you need to do. And after that, you can easily post on LinkedIn, post on WhatsApp, or do what with Instagram, in Telegram, X, whatever you want, it can do it. Right now, I am handling with WhatsApp. Everyone with me? So I'm going to sign with my WhatsApp right now. You will see. Okay, let me show you with the demo. Shall we? Okay, so this is one of the number. What you need to do is you just need to scan this code and you will be able to do it. Okay, so let's do one thing. If it is getting connected, account added successfully, click on close. So you can see my number and my all the things are connected. So this is my number also. If you want, everyone, this is my number, right? You can test it out also. This will send you details also. Okay. All right. So we will click on webhooks now. Everyone will click on this webhook. Now, here we will set up the webhook, which is the webhook is my phone number to webhook. So whatever the name, messaging, whatever the message will come, whenever a new message will come, I will do that. Click on new message, click on continue, all the accounts continue. And what is the URL where you want to send? So here, this is the URL which we want. So I will just change this to post. And this is my URL, guys, test URL that you see. Okay. This is the URL we want, and we will use this URL, everyone. Clear? Everyone with me? We will paste this URL. Make sure this is test. Make sure this is test. Test basically means it's a test URL right now. Okay, right now because we are testing, so test URL. Click on create. Now it is ready. Whatever the message will come. So whenever you run a N8N now, it will automatically send the message to this. Okay, so can't create token, blah, 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 something you are getting. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me try and refresh it. Sometimes you will get an error, but it gets actually connected, everyone. So make sure that you check it that it is connected or not. Sometimes you will get an error, but it is actually connected. So here in this case, it is not connected. We will try it again. You can give any name, click on continue, right? On message received, click on continue, and this is the message. And what I'm going to do is I will just click on execute flow so that it is waiting right now. Execute flow also I have done. Now I will click on create webhook. So it is waiting and it will try to test it. It will try to test it from this. And after that, you will see it is taking time. It will taking time. It is just connecting all the things. So again, we have an error. So guys, try it a few more times. It will work. Let me check. So couple of times we need to do it, guys. This is, I have seen it couple of times whenever we do it. I have tried it like multiple times. So it takes some times to, sometimes you will get an error. Sometimes it will work. So wait for some time. Okay. It is that code because see, this is little bit, couple of couple of major things are behind the scene happening right now. So if you get an error, don't worry. What we will do is we will come back to account. Account is running. Webhook, let me check. Let me refresh. If my webhook is fine, is it added? It is not added. Again, we will try to do the same thing. We'll give name, messaging, continue, on message receive, right? Click on continue for all the accounts. Yes. I will add my test URL again. Click on continue, right? 2-3 times I will try. And what I have noticed also, sometimes first or second time or third time, you will get an error. Oh, it is done, guys, done. Done. Behind the scene, if you see, if you noticed, anyone noticed, it is done. I think it takes time. Sometimes it gives you 2 or 3 times, it will give you error. So 2-3 times you just try it, it works afterwards. Okay, so no worries. Now what we are going to do, this is what exactly we are going to do. So here you can see listening. It is listening. So what I'm going to do now is there, it is very simple thing I'm going to do, right? So what exactly it is doing now, I'll tell you what exactly is happening, everyone. What is happening right now? This is listening right now. Whenever a new message will be come, it is right now waiting. Whenever you send a message to this, automatically it will go to here. Yes, I think we got a message from a number. Let's see what is the number. Do you see any number, everyone? Varun Malhotra. I think somebody from Varun Malhotra has sent me a number. This is a WhatsApp community message, everyone. So we'll ignore that. We will ignore that. Anyone, I think let's wait for one more message. I think there are a couple of messages which are waiting. I think now again we have got it from what's we are in a test mode right now. So right now we are testing. That's why only one message or two message I am able to capture. But when you are in production, it will capture all the message. Right now I have got message from Deepak. He has asked me, please give me the automation experience, which is automation test, which is this information, everyone. So he has asked me, please give me the information. Okay. Okay, got it. This is the number. This is the word we have got it. I will pin this data. I will pin this data so that I can parse this.